Hi, this is Richard Jones, the Welsh Lockpicker, and today I received this set of 3 challenge locks in the mail, and they come from my good friend over in the UK, Nick Picks, not to be confused with Nick's Picks. So we've got Habanero Red, we've got Ghost Pepper, and we have Bird's Eye. So this is a really nice looking cylinder. Key works quite nice and smooth. So let's see if we can get this one open. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin lock with fairly flat bitting. So let's see how we get on. So apologies for the shadows. I know I keep saying it, but I still need to buy a light of some description. So let's get the tensioner in, and it's a 40,000th one from the Reaper set and the number 3 hook. So let's just go across here, see what we can find. Okay, a little bit of click there. Okay, not feeling much. Okay, oh, that dropped into a little full set there. Okay, anything else to be had? No, okay, back to the start. Okay, got some counter rotation, and that's set. Next one, number 2, let's see. Okay, another full set. Okay, I think I dropped something somewhere along the lines. Oh, right, very deep faucet there. Okay, just gently. Okay, it's in an even deeper faucet. So let's see what else is giving us any counter rotation. Okay. And there we go, we've got the open. So there we go, Bird's Eye by Nick Picks, opened with the Reaper set. Again, apologies for the lighting, but we got it done in the end. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Diolch yn fawr.